So let's consider an example. Let's go to figure 10.2, okay? And let's do the case where we've got a firm with the cost curves that's the same as we used last time. 10 plus 0.75 q squared. That's their cost function. Fixed cost of 10 and a variable cost of 0.75 q. Okay? It's got a fixed cost of 10, and it's got this variable cost piece as well. Okay? And let's just assume, to make life easy, the market price is 9. In this example, let's just assume the price is 9 for our example. Okay? So now let's look. What we've graphed here is we've graphed the total cost curve for this firm. We've graphed the total cost curve for this firm. Well, the average total cost for this firm is concave. What that means is that first, total costs are rising slowly, okay, because fixed costs dominate. Over time, total costs rise more quickly because the fixed costs eventually get used up. Okay? So basically, now we're going to assume the price of the good is 9. Okay? So let's think about the profit maximization decision. Let's think about the firm's decision to produce the first unit. Okay? You set up this firm and decide, should I produce 1 unit? Well, if I produce 1 unit, what's my cost? What's my cost? 10.75, $10.75. What's my revenue? 9. I lose money. So if I produce 1 unit, I'm losing money. The first unit has a marginal profit of 0. Now let's go to the second unit. So now I'm producing 1. I'm going to produce a second unit. What I want to ask is, what's the marginal cost of producing that second unit? Well, we can solve for marginal cost by differentiating this equation. And that says that the marginal cost in this example, marginal cost here is simply 1.5 q, right? If I just differentiate this equation. So that says that for my second unit, the marginal cost is 1.5 times 2, or 3. So my marginal cost is 3. But what do I sell it for? 9. So should I produce that? Definitely. Right? I sell it for 9, it only costs me 3. Now let's go to the third unit. Marginal cost 4.5, price 9. Sell. Fourth unit. Marginal cost 6, price 9. Sell. Fifth unit. Marginal cost 7.5, price 9. Sell. Sixth unit. Marginal cost 9, price 9. Sell. Okay, or I'm indifferent. You know, I'm indifferent basically. I sell, I cannot sell, I don't care. But we'll say sell. Okay? Now we go to the 7th unit. Now in the 7th unit, the marginal cost, okay, the 7th unit, what's the total cost of the 7th unit? Total cost of 7th unit is 10 plus 0.75 times 49. Okay? 10 plus 0.75 times 49. Okay, so the 7th unit, the total cost is 10 plus 0.75 times 49. Okay, or about 30, or about, $42. Okay, something like that. Okay, what's the revenue? What's my revenue when I sell the 7th unit? What's my revenue? I'm selling 7 units. The price is 9, so it's 63. Okay, so my revenue is 63. My total costs are 42. So you think, well, gee, I'm making money on that. I ought to sell it. Okay, you think I'm making money on that. I ought to sell it. But the answer is, you don't sell it. That's not profit maximizing. It's not profit maximizing because while overall you're making money, on that unit, you're losing money. Think about the decision to produce the 7th unit. What's the marginal cost of the 7th unit? It's 7 times 1.5, or 10.5. What's the marginal revenue you gain from selling the 7th unit? 9. So you lose 1.5. And that's why we care about marginal, not total. Yes, you're still making money overall, but on that last unit, you've lost money. Because look, what are your profits if you stop at the 6th unit? If you stop at the 6th unit, your total costs are 10 plus 0.75 times 36, okay, which is 37, right? 37. Your revenues, if you sell 6 units, are 54. Okay? So basically, no. Your revenues 54. What did I do wrong here? Total costs. Total cost. I did something wrong here. Total cost is 6 units. Total cost 10 plus 0.75 times 36 is 37. Did I do this wrong? What's 0.75 times 40?
That's 46.75.
That's 46.75. That's what I did wrong. This is about 47. So your profits here are only 16, but your profits here are 17. That's what I did wrong. So this, if you on your 7th unit, your total profits that you've made are 16. If you sell 6 units, the total profits you've made is 17, roughly. So your profits have actually shrunk producing the 7th unit. Producing the 7th unit has lowered your profits. Okay? So the key thing, this is the key difference. This is what's basically going to separate, people understand this from don't in this class. It's about the marginal incentives to produce. The fact you're still making money at 7 units is irrelevant. The question is, did the 7th unit make you money? And the answer is no. The 7th unit lost you money. And that's why you want to stop at 6 units. So you're climbing this profit hill, and you want to stop when this profit hill is maximized. Okay? That profit hill is maximized at the 6th unit. Okay? Questions about that?